Billahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, I am Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Dear students, let us discuss 1-mark questions from second lesson of history in 10th standard, that is the extension of the British rule. First, we'll discuss the fill in the blanks. First one, at the end of First Anglo-Maratha War, dash agreement was entered between Marathas and British. Answer is Salbai. Second, the subsidiary alliance system was implemented by dash. Answer is Lord Wellesley. Third blank, the doctrine of lapse policy was implemented in the year dash 1848. Next blank, the doctrine of lapse policy was implemented by dash, that is Dalhousie. Let us discuss 1-mark question, children. Now, mention the cunning policies of the British. Answer, subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. Second question, who gave Kora and Allahabad to Marathas? Answer, Shah Alam II. Third question, which incident was a major setback to Marathas? Answer, the death of Maratha strongman Madhav Rao Peshwa was a major setback to Marathas. Question number 4. Who murdered Narayan Rao? Answer is his uncle. Means here Narayan Rao's uncle Raghuba. Otherwise he will known as a Raghunath Rao. Another name of Raghuba is Raghunath Rao. Next question. By which agreement First Anglo-Maratha War was ended? Answer is Salbai Agreement. Question number 6. Who was named as Peshwa after the First Anglo-Maratha War? Answer, Madhva Rao II. Question number 7. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance? Answer is Lord Wellesley. Question number 8. What are the three policies followed by Lord Wellesley? Answer, subsidiary alliance, waging war against new states, administering the states directly that were under the control of the British. Question number 9. When was subsidiary alliance implemented? Answer is in the year 1798. Question number 10. What is subsidiary alliance? Answer, this was basically a military protection agreement between the East India Company and the Indian state. Question number 11. Which state was the first state to enter subsidiary alliance? Answer is the Hyderabad state. Question number 12. Mention the states which entered subsidiary alliance. Answer, Hyderabad, Mysore, Audh, Tanjore, Maratha, Pune, Birar and Gwalior. Question number 13. What was the main reason for Second Anglo-Maratha War? Answer, the differences among the Maratha chieftains. Question number 14. By which agreement Second Anglo-Maratha War ended? Answer, Treaty of Basin. Question number 15. Between whom Lahore Agreement was signed? Answer is British and Sikh. Question number 16. Who merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire? Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Question number 17. Who adopted doctrine of lapse policy? Answer, Dalhousie. Question number 18. Which were the states that came under the doctrine of lapse policy? Answer, Satara, Nagpur, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Jhansi, Jaipur. Question number 19. Who worked the support to British to become the Peshwa of Marathas? Answer is Raghunath Rao. Question number 20. Who was the first to accept the subsidiary alliance system? Answer, Nizam of Hyderabad. Question number 21. Who accepted the Treaty of Basin? Answer, Bajirao II. Question number 22. Why did Bajirao II accept the subsidiary alliance system? Answer. Holkar defeated army of Bajirao II and Sindhya. Question number 23. Why did Lord Wellesley resign to his post? Answer. Wellesley's battle treatness increased the financial burden on the company was strongly criticized. Wellesley's battle-thirstiness increased the financial burden on the company was strongly criticized. Question number 24. After whose death there was a political anarchy in Punjab Kingdom? Answer. Ranjit Singh. Question number 25. Between whom the Treaty of Amritsar signed? Answer. Ranjit Singh and British. Question number 26. Who revolted against the British during Second Anglo-Sikh War? Answer. Chatar Singh Atariwala in Lahore and Maulraj in Multan. Question number 27. By which treaty the First Anglo-Sikh War concluded? Answer. Lahore Treaty. Question number 28. Who is called the Lion of Punjab? Answer. Ranjit Singh. Thank you. Jazakallah khaira. Have a nice day.